Welcome back to another tiki edition of Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. My name's Steve, and today we're going to make the Devil's Reef. This is an interesting cocktail. It calls for some very different flavors in our rums, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get into it. The key ingredient here is going to be pineapple molasses. Kind of a weird ingredient, but it's basically boiled down pineapple juice and molasses. If you, like I, were too lazy to do that yourself, you can get that from BG Reynolds. So we're going to go with a ½ ounce of our pineapple molasses. After I separate my shaker tins here. We're going to go with 1 ounce of Dawn's Mix. We reuse bottles here, so this is our bottle of Dawn's Mix. Dawn's Mix is a little less mysterious than you might think. It's just a 2 parts grapefruit to 1 part cinnamon syrup mixture. It's delicious. Don't know why he thought that was such a big secret. We're going to use ½ ounce of lime. Now comes the fun part. We're going to do 1 ounce of Demerara rum. My favorite Demerara rum is Lemon Heart & Sons. It's pretty much sets the bar. Super dark, very intense flavors. And so because of this, it kind of dictated our next choice. Because Lemon Heart is such a strong flavor, I had to go with a very strong flavored Jamaican rum. This is Hampton Estate. It's my favorite Jamaican rum distiller. They've been doing things the exact same way pretty much for the last 400 years or so. And if you, like I, are a disciple of Jamaican rum funk, look no further. We're going to do 1 ounce of our Hampton Estate. Then we're going to toss in a couple of dashes of Angostura. And we're going to shake this with ice. This drink, you want to shake it particularly hard because you want to try to break up that ice, because we're not going to strain it into our glass. We're just going to pour it right in there. Then we're going to garnish that with a couple of pineapple fronds. And a nice sprig of mint. And there you have the Devil's Reef. Let's have a sip. That whole thing just works really well together. It's very spicy. You get the cinnamon from that Dawn's Mix coming through. It's nice and crisp, but not too sour. The lime and the grapefruit go really well together. The pineapple molasses, I've never had another ingredient like that. This is actually the first cocktail that I've ever used it in. And it's a really nice marriage between kind of that really dark burnt flavor of molasses and the sweetness of the pineapple. Both of those things really complement our Lemon Heart & Sons 1804 rum, because a lot of those flavor characteristics are the same. This carries a lot of notes of molasses. It's not sweet, I would say, but it does have kind of a burnt sugar taste. You might call it smoky. And then the Hampton just cranks everything up to 10. It leaves you with this nice, lingering banana funk flavor that I can't get enough of. So, there you have it, the Devil's Reef. Enjoy. That's really good.